Welcome to our comparison of two popular graphics cards from XFX, the Radeon RX 580 GTS XFX Edition and the Speedster SWFT 210 RX 6600 N. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, performance, and which card might be the best fit for your gaming needs. Let's dive in. The XFX Radeon RX 580 GTS XFX Edition offers decent performance for 1080p gaming, making it a budget-friendly option. However, it struggles with newer titles at higher resolutions. In contrast, the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 RX 6600 excels at 1440p gaming, providing smooth gameplay and better performance in demanding titles thanks to its modern RDNA2 architecture. The RX 580 is based on AMD's older Polaris architecture, which, while capable, lacks the efficiency and performance enhancements found in newer designs. The RX 6600, however, utilizes AMD's RDNA2 architecture, offering improved power efficiency and performance, making it a better choice for gamers looking for longevity in their hardware. When it comes to pricing, the RX 580 GTS is a budget-friendly option at $129, making it accessible for gamers on a tight budget. On the other hand, the RX 6600 comes with a higher price tag of $279, reflecting its superior performance and newer technology. It's essential to weigh your budget against the performance needs you have. In conclusion, the choice between the RX 580 GTS and the RX 6600 ultimately depends on your gaming needs and budget. If you're looking for a budget card for 1080p gaming, the RX 580 is a solid choice. However, if you want better performance for higher resolutions and more demanding games, the RX 6600 is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.